What's up, YouTube? It's the Internet Income Ninja with another episode of how you can make money online or how you can earn money online. If you'd like to see a lot more content from me, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. Because when you subscribe, you'll get to see when the videos come out pretty much each and every day. Alright? So, you've probably seen a few videos previously. This is another in the line of videos on how you can earn money online, how you can build your business online. And if you've never watched any of my previous videos, there's usually links below that teach you how to earn money passively or to build your own online business. So if you're interested in something like that, instead of trading your time for money, you could just spend minimal time, set your business up. And I mean, you'll have to check on it from time to time, clearly. But it doesn't have to be a case where if you don't do the work, you don't get paid. We live in an era of technology, and a lot of things that can be done manually can also be done automatically. So why not let the bots, the softwares, do work? That's why they were made, right? So you can have more time to do what you love. Alright, so if that sounds good, like, share, subscribe. Alright, let's get into it. Now, Shopify is an online platform that allows sales. Here's what I mean. A lot of people associate Shopify with dropshipping, meaning you build a store, advertise to customers, customers purchase from your store, then you turn around, pay some other guy, a supplier or a fulfillment center or whatever, purchase the product from them. They handle all the shipping and handling and logistics. That in itself is drop shipping in a nutshell. A lot of people associate Shopify with that form of e-commerce. Shopify is just a platform. You can either build a website or you can use it as a point of sale system. There are a lot of people with boutique stores, with regular size stores, people who have storage in their garage. So they'll set up a store, sell stuff, and then they would keep stock in their garage and they would send it to people. Shopify is, like I said, a platform. It has a bunch of apps. You can do print on demand. You can have a niche store. You could have a general store that sells everything. You could have a store that sells just one product, which is a form of niche store. You could have a niche store that sells several products. You could have a store that deals with strictly gardening, so you could sell gardening tools, fertilizers, you name it. It could be a resource place. You could do a blog. There's so many things that Shopify is known for. Well, there are so many things that Shopify can do, but most people associate it with dropshipping. So there's a lot more to it. Another thing that Shopify does is it actually hires people. Okay? Now, if you go to shopify.com/careers, that's shopify.com/careers. Okay? Or if you went and typed in Shopify, what you'll see is you'll see Shopify. If you clicked on just Shopify, alright, where you see Shopify, you could either click that and scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see careers, or you'll just click here where it says careers. Click that, and that's how you get to the career section. Now, in careers, it will tell you what the company is about. You can search jobs here. You'll see videos that explain what it's all about.
And I am part of that story. Working for a company that's kind of built around independent creative thinkers gives you the freedom to also be a creative independent thinker.
Sometimes at work, I'm not as creatively motivated and I just need to take a break. I might switch and focus on my business. And that gives me...
Alright, so it talks about creativity, how people operate there, different aspects to how Shopify works. You can work anywhere. How they hire, they give you a detailed listing of the type of people they want, why they want you, how you can kill it in your interview or otherwise. When I say otherwise, I mean how you can present your resume, how you could whatever. all that jazz that goes with finding a job. Alright? So if this is something that you're interested in, working online or in office, what you'll do is click search jobs, or if you're looking for internships, you click internship. If you're looking for remote work, hit work anywhere. If you want to be a part of a team, like maybe a sales team or an engineering team or whatever, hit teams. And like I said, life at Shopify, what it's like working there, you can click that. So let's do search jobs because that's what a lot of people are looking for right now. If you want to look at jobs in terms of teams, you could do engineering and development, product management, UX and design, HR and culture, and the list is there. So when you go there, you could see that. You could search based on those terms, or teams rather. You could search by location. So if you're in a particular country, or zone, or a region, they'll be hiring in the US, Singapore, New Zealand, Japan, Europe, China, Canada, Australia, general Asia area, and all these other territories. If you want a keyword search, you could look at, for example, you wanted to do programming. You type in programming, hit enter, and it would filter based on the keyword that you entered, or the position or whatever that you entered. And those options would pop up. It shows you what the position is, what team you'll be working with, and what region the job is available. So it says the Americas. So you're looking at, Canada, not Canada, but like the pretty much Caribbean area, Latin America, just that whole American continent side, not the USA, but that general region. Okay. Now let's clear all filters and let's look at all the jobs that they have posted right now. So if you go down the list, you'll see that they'll have fulfillment center specialist. You'll be a part of the business operations team in the Americas region. If the region is off for you, you could always search others. Now, they don't have a lot of jobs that are, how do I put it? They're not necessarily flexi, meaning, oh, it's offered here and there and somewhere else. Usually they need a specific person to do this job in this office. That's it. So there's jobs in Ireland, Europe, the Americas, Asia, the Americas again. So let's click on one, for example, video producer editor. This looks good. So it tells you what the role is, tells you the location, what team you'll be working with or what team you'll be a part of, and it tells you a bit about the job. As a video producer, you will be producing and editing video content for Shopify shipping and financial solutions teams. Your role will focus on all three phases of video production: pre-production, production, and post-production. So it sounds like something that you will physically need to be there for if you're going to be a part of production and pre-production. Okay, so just a heads up, there are a ton of resources available to you. They'll ask you for your relevant experience. They'll ask you for, they'll tell you what your responsibilities are. And when these jobs close, which is key, or when these job offers close. So this one closes July 15th. Today is the 8th of July, so you have literally a week. So again, rush these jobs. Even if you don't think you can get through, apply. You never know. Even if it's not something you're interested in, apply. Because having a job is better than no job. Now, I hear a lot of people saying, I don't want to work for somebody, I want to build my own business. Well, one, you can click the links below, right? Click the links below if you want to start your own business. But two, being home not earning money doesn't necessarily help all the time. You have your goal, keep your goal in mind. Do something that you can do in the meantime until a better opportunity comes along. Stop playing hero. I know you want to build a business, but if you have no money to start your business, sometimes you have to work something on the side. Save up your money, or while you're earning, you build what you really want to do. That's my opinion. There are many people who are diehard, I'm going to build my own thing. That's great. If you can, I'm all for it. In many cases, especially in a pandemic, sitting home and wishing for something, this could be what you're wishing for to help you off your feet until you can fly. Okay? So again, like, share, subscribe if you like the content I'm sharing. There are a ton of other jobs available on this site. Please be quick with what you're doing. You don't want too many people applying for these jobs and then you get the short end of the stick. Alright? Like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. And this is the Internet Income Ninja, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy.